And welcome to today's session on box plot diagrams comparing. Now, some of you may have used box plot diagrams or box and whisker diagrams before, but when we're comparing, we are normally looking at more than one box plot and we're going to be making statements against these to compare them. So, for example, we've got lap times done by person A and person B, and the lap times are in seconds, and these are the box plots which have been produced. Now we can compare the results of person A to person B. We can use lots of different ways of comparing these, but the most obvious ones are that person A's median time is 6 seconds quicker than B. The median is obviously the line going down the middle of the box. So person A's time was a lot quicker than person B's. The middle 50%, the interquartile range times were more consistent with A than B. Now the interquartile range is the distance between the start of the box and the end of the box for each one of these. So there's a bigger time difference for the interquartile range for person B, which means it wasn't as consistent. We could say that the upper quartile times were less consistent for A than B. Now the upper quartile is this point here, and the top 25% top 25% of the times is the distance between the end of the whisker to the upper quartile, in which case the distance between here is less consistent when you compare it to this one. The lower quartile was very consistent with person A, meaning that they achieved more faster times more often than B. That's from the distance at the start here to the lowest value. Now, as you can see, 25% of the times for person B were between 52 and 54 seconds, whilst person A, 25% of the times were between 52 and 51 seconds. And of course, we can always talk about the range as well. The overall range, so the range for person A was a lot less consistent than there was for person B, because both of them got fastest time of 52 seconds, but the slowest time that person B got was 86, person A 91 seconds. But overall, you would probably be able to spot that driver A is a lot better driver based on these results than person B, because if you look at the top 75% of the times, they're a lot more consistent than the top 75% of the times for person B. And that was comparing box plots. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.